And I'm the only guy in this thing. Ready?
I'm a bitch.
When are you not? Ah!
Fuck you.
I messed up with all the buttons and I completely forgot which is which.
Watch is watch.
Which is which? That's
Watch a witch watch.
How about a hashtag fuck you?
Ow. I would be morally offended.
I think the worst thing about this map is all the corners.
The fact that it's not open, it's in tight spaces.
Uh-huh.
That's what she said.
You wish.
No.
Oh, duh.
What you just freaked out about?
I couldn't see down that hallway. I'm like, why can't I all of a sudden see something move? Oh.
How is Joker the slow bitch and she's still ahead of us?
Actually, that's you. You're the one that's the slower one.
No, I'm not.
No, actually, Eric's not.
Oh, he isn't?
Joker is.
Oh, that's right. The one that looks like Velma is the slow one.
Yes.
Okay, there's probably one in here somewhere.
Oh, yeah. Somewhere.
Hey guys, did you know there's an achievement if we don't sprint?
Oh, looks like we're gonna fail that.
Well, yeah, I already started sprinting. It's for each individual person to do it.
I don't think there's one in here.
I think there is one.
Wait. Oh, I know where it's at. Yep.
Everybody ready?
Well, we already started it, so.
Yeah.
I wanted to pick that one up, damn it.
Oh,
We have a statue in the next room.
Is someone being an achievement hog then?
Says you.
Hey,
Watch
I'm the
out.
one that's-
Well, yeah, I'm not picking any up, so.
There's a statue to our right, so
Guys, here's another room. Probably one in here.
hopefully. Was this the one where it's near the water? Oh, hi, he's to I see the tape. It's on that landfill, but he's right over there.
I'm going for it.
Oh, wow, I really can't look at him very long.
Screw this noise.
Alright, go ahead.
Mine's the one that can look at him for a long time, right?
Yeah. No, wait, no, his is. His is the one that can look at him for a very long time. He's got the most sanity. Or however the thing said it was. Should we just go across and go into the room that's across?
Probably we could do that. Okay, single file line, kiddies.
No, I'm out of the way.
Hi, kitty. What the hell?
Ladies first.
Oh, thank you. You're such a man. No, I didn't say gentleman. Yeah. Where did Eric go?
Right in front of you.
Oh, yeah. I literally turned around because I didn't see no one in front of me. Turned around, and then all I saw was Necro, and I'm like, I'm so scared. Actually, it's just Eric. I wouldn't give a shit.
Ooh.
Okay,
Someone
yet
is
again.
helping a fuck you.
Yet again, we're having trouble with doors.
Yeah, we are.
Statue.
It's so adorable. Guys, hold on. I need to get a drink first. There we go.
Sounds disturbing.
Okay, now I'm falling behind.
Don't worry, we're just walking.
What's up, statue?
Stat-
Where are you? Oh, guys, that sign just said pack a punch this way.
Ugh.
I know I saw that.
Call of Duty Easter egg. Woo!
Hashtag God of Dubai.
I hear whispers. Or is that just me going crazy?
It's probably you were playing too much Amnesia.
Probably.
It is.
What? Oh. Hi. Holy, my character cannot look at him very long.
He moved. He moved.
No, he did not.
Yeah, he did. He keeps moving.
No, he's still there. Quit looking at him. Go.
He moved like twice at me.
Oh, well, I'm just trying to do the thing where you like, oh, dude, if like you keep looking at him, he stays like not moving.
That'll be your job.
Even though Eric should do that, since he's the one that can look at him for Fortnite. What the? Okay, that was fucking creepy.
What?
Like it looked like someone was standing right next to you. And it wasn't you.
Woo.
You should look at my screen. It's like, it looks like that guy from SCP, the Larry guy.
Ah, yeah.
Penis enlarger this way.
No, dude, that's the golden rod.
What
Golden
is it
rod,
called?
golden rod. Easy around. Oh, fuck.
You want to get to my bacon?
I don't care about your bacon. I'm a robot.
Get around this corner. No.
All I can see is the back of your head.
Oh, there's one in here.
Yep.
I think. Oh, I was gonna say I think it's above us.
What did he take a spoon, just put it up there, just. Nope, you ain't getting it.
You gotta climb. But I can't climb. There's no climbing mechanics in this game. My character can't climb. I'll let the one who can look at the monster the longest go in first.
Okay, what?
So I heard the monster. In that general direction where you were going.
I hope you guys are following me.
Yep. Oh, yay, look at that alien.
Can I go have? Can I become a necrophilia?
Nope.
Necrophiliac?
Found it.
No?
Show me your necroblade. Your necroblade.
Okay.
Show me your necroblade.
Through that door.
Really?
I hate these clothes.
Man, that's so adorable of you. Oh my god, are we stuck on a door again? Jesus fuck.
It's like Call of Duty. Doors don't work well for us. The monster's right behind us. Dude, let me through. No, I want to go through.
Like, me and Anton, though, it happened the most to us. Because, like, we're even running,
Protect.
trying to get in the fight. And then, all of a sudden, we're just both at the same door, like, what is happening? Was this not in basic training? How to walk through doors?
No, why would they teach you how to walk through doors?
Oh, man, you don't need that shit.
No. Why walk through a door when you can just shoot through it if anybody's on the other side? Or if somebody else is stuck on the door, you can just shoot through the door. Which way are we gonna take?
This way.
Okay.
No, is anyone mapping out where we're going so that we don't walk in the same direction?
How are we gonna map it out when our hands are pretty much taken up by the keyboard and mouse?
Well, I'm not.
Okay, by an analog stick and another analog stick and buttons.
That's right.
Your hands.
Weapons!
Ooh. Why can't we pick up guns? Unless those aren't guns.
You too.
What? Wait. Oh, he's right there.
Okay, going back the way.
Yep, going back the other way.
See who's smart.
See?
Fucking see him. You probably just walk on the other way because you're like, oh, I see him, guys, hold my hand. Shake that
Oh.
ass for me. Shake that ass for me.
I was wondering where everybody went.
That ass for me.
Oh, hey, hi! He's right on the corner, dude. Hey, hey. It didn't even make the whole, like, shing. It just walked on, just started walking. And he just slowly fades in, like, hi,
Yeah, this is gonna be like a.
Eric.
Or see if he was still there.
Are we gonna have another Necro on our hands?
It
Maybe.
won't be me.
Oh hi, I want a hug. Personally kill.
Hug! He didn't want a hug. Poked me. I forgot he had super long nails. Needless to say, it hurt a lot.
Guys, we're going down this hallway. I call it.
Hmm.
Shake that ass. Shake that ass. 'Cause it's my belly button. My belly button. I won't pretend like it's nothing. 'Cause my belly button's really something.
I like how that pissed off Chris. Josh, stop.
He didn't want shit to do with my belly button.
You don't have a belly button. He's nearby.
Is he in one of these test tubes? Is he a test tube baby?
That would be scary if he actually was. And how does he get from the forest to air to bunker 51?
Guys, I found one.
I got a feeling this is gonna be bad. Okay, which way do we go? Which way do we go? Which way do we go? That way.
This way. Okay, go out the other door that we didn't go out. Oh, don't come in.
The anxiety and the stress when you pick up a tape. Which way do we go? Which way do we go? Which way do we go?
Go to his bedroom.
Go to what?
Okay.
Is he behind this corner? Nope.
Form a single file line.
Okay, Velma.
I think we should split up.
No. I wonder who would die first if we all split up at the same time. I think there's one in there.
Wait, didn't we already find one in this kind of room?
All the rooms look the same.
Not really. Hello!
What?
He just appeared right in front of my face.
I don't like that.
He wanted to give me a hug. And
Get
I
it, get out
said
here.
No. I sprayed him with mace and told him back off. Buy me dinner first.
Oh, he's right to our right. God. Hi. Hi. Hi.
Let's just say he was about 2 times closer than that.
Oh, I hate it when that happens. Person who can look at it the longest, go ahead.
Which wasn't me, but I'm going ahead anyway.
I don't know why you go ahead. He's don't go right. Don't go right. He's over there. I caught him from the top of his head. Yeah, I saw him at the top of his head, and he's just like.
But you gotta remember, you just asked me, why do you go ahead?
Because you like head, just not
No, I'm just saying, get who I am.
ahead.
Play like a Call of Duty map or anything, you're like, why did you go ahead?
Point. Not that way. Hmm. I hear him. What? Who's gonna kill first?
It's not safe to go alone.
What?
Oh my god. I honestly was gonna turn around and be like, you son of a bitch.
Well, you guys kept running ahead of me. I was like trying to catch up, and I was walking. So
We're not running. We're walking.
Literally
what I'm
walking,
saying,
I
I'm
have
saying-
the slowest character
I'm
in the
saying you
game.
guys are like way ahead of me because I must have sprinted too long. My brain was slower, and all of a sudden you guys were just like way ahead of me. So I'm like, it's not good to go behind. And you guys like, oh my god, you guys figured it out right now.
Ah, the crumbs I get on here every now and then. I only ate a breakfast pizza.
Oh, no, back right.
Yeah, I'm assuming no. I heard the scream.
Yeah, he was standing in the middle of the hallway that way.
You're not going this way. Or maybe he just talks, "You're not going this way." Oh, that's counter scary. It's not like you were burping for a long time.
No, I was doing this while saying that.
He's in here.
Look at the statue.
He's in here. I'm pretty sure of it because I just heard 2 different growls.
Is there 2 different monsters?
Maybe. Watch. We're gonna be at the top of the map the entire time.
Well, looks like we're going in a circle.
Whee!
Or a square, whatever way you want to say it. Wow, this was literally a circle.
Oh. Not good.
Guys, I want to get another drink. Joking. Nope. Nope.
Joker, you're going in a circle again.
He wanted to kiss me. And I don't want to give him any of my sugar. All I saw was his head when I peeked around the corner.
Hello?
Hello, I am Cornelio.
No, you're Luigi.
Okay, he's right behind us.
Really? Hi.
Hello.
He's right behind us, using those tactics. He's on your 12, 6, whatever.
You should have seen it though. When he every time I would look at him and look away, I was going to like the right, kind of pushing towards the right forward, and he would just move in front of me even more, blocking off my path, and he locked me in. I turned around and he appeared behind me, so he wanted to kill me right away. Oh. Hey.
Oh, hey,
Hi.
He's grounded. He's in the corner.
He is? Ah! One of his teleportation's gone bad. No, not again!
I would imagine that would be a problem, just all of a sudden, just like... Shit.
He teleports, and there's like a little bar. It's like separating his head from his body. What the hell? Oh, not again. Good. Oh, we can't go that way. You're dead. Kidding.
Yeah, screw you.
Oh, he's right there. Josh, turn around. Go back this way. We're fine this way now. I see you, Eric.
Eric, now stay with the group.
Hey, you guys just want to give a direction. Don't blame me.
How would we give directions if you can see us? You were right behind us.
How is there anything about being ahead when it's a free map? There's not a direction we're going.
We're just like randomly guessing which way we should go. Oh, we've been here.
Yeah, I know, but like maybe there's a doorway this way. Oh my god, my guy moves so slow.
Ah, I can see better now.
And I can't see at all.
Neither can I.
Maybe I shouldn't be leading then.
I can't see either. Can't your character see the farthest?
My character, I don't. That wasn't one of the attributes.
Oh yeah, that's the flashlight. Oh, wait, so you can turn off your flashlight and just leave it off and it should charge back up, shouldn't it?
Yeah. That's what it does.
But remember, like that one that we thought was the I can see you farther was just that I can wander away from the group without a. I mean, not with this character, but it was how I can like just wander away from the group and still like it'll take longer for me to get caught.
Guys, wait out.
We're in a jail. Maybe he's gonna teleport in one of the ones that's locked up and he can't actually escape.
Wasn't there one on?
Oh, he's right behind us. Nope. He's right near Eric.
Yeah, he is.
There's a statue in here.
My game stopped, like, it froze, and then all of a sudden it just started, it gave me a black screen and it started me back up again.
Wait, hold on. Where's everyone going? Okay. Well, I guess we're following Neko down the path. Follow the yellow ground.
Um, checking you once. Don't see anything. Wait, where'd you guys go? Oh, okay.
Okay.
Whoa, I
We should,
can't.
like, keep like a bell on Eric though. Or keep track on him at least.
I think Eric should lead just because he can actually look at the monster the longest, and well, he's getting lost a lot. So if he gets lost, we'll get lost with him. Oh God!
Say no to that. Hey, I wasn't the one that saw him first this time.
I probably overloaded the mic. I'm sorry.
God damn it! I have to put like another like. I can't see shit.
I can't see shit either. It's just because of the damn flashlights. We need LED flashlights.
Oh, hey, he's right to a left.
Really? Oh, he's in the console. Oh God, we're stuck. We can't go that door. No. Okay, he's still there. He's still there. I can't keep looking at him. Okay, yeah, he's still there. There's one here. He's still in the console.
Joker, pick it up.
I'm picking that shit up.
Pick it up. Pick it up.
Thank
Hey.
you, Neko.
You're welcome. I'm the one who can't even look at him the longest, and I picked it up.
Joker calls me an achievement pig.
See, I'm just saying for now, because we already got like 7 out of 8 now, and I haven't picked up a single one because everyone beats me to it.
Well, that's supposed to be an online game. This one's not gonna work for you.
Well, actually it is, because I don't think we're playing publicly, or like locally.
It's gotta be 4 players though that do that without picking it up. So,
That wasn't in the achievement.
Where'd everybody go? Okay.
Yes. I think we all lost each other.
Josh,
Guys?
Monster, give me a hug.
once again, you get lost now.
Honestly, I was following you guys, and all of a sudden you guys vanished. I can't see shit on my screen as well. It's dangerous to go alone. Shut up, Navi! I don't actually think that was Navi that said that.
Oh, I see you.
See you guys.
Damn it, no, you should all let him
He's
die.
right behind you.
We didn't let you die, did we?
Oh, he's right there.
Yeah, he's right there.
He's trapping us in here. We need to get out of here. Back the other way. Back the other way. Go, go, go.
Yeah, I'm taking it right.
What? He's like walking, basically. Like red light, green light. Okay.
And where'd he go?
He's to our right. Don't look.
Oh, you look right there. Just like, you guys want some milk?
Pretty much. Sour.
Oh, what the fuck is that sound?
You?
Why can I make it?
Didn't you say it was a skin flute?
Yeah, I have said that before.
Huh? What the?
Okay.
Oh, he's right there. Okay, so we're going this way.
About this month together through the storm.
Through here. These doors. These doors makes us the better.
I'm not afraid, not afraid.
Oh, jail cell.
Take a stand, everybody.
Should we just leave this spot since we've already explored it?
Why don't we check all the cells?
We've already been here.
We didn't check all the cells though.
We would have heard it. We would have heard it though.
I can definitely hear that,
Yep.
statue. Let's go through this door to the left.
Yeah, right here.
Jesus.
Did you hear him?
Yes.
Oh, yeah, he's right over there. Yep, we're going this way.
Goodbye, sir.
Should we go straight or right?
Right.
Sounds good.
You know it's the right direction. What?
The puns. Left or right? Left or right?
Left.
Okay.
It's the only decision that's left.
God, the bad puns. Why the puns?
Because it's old pun season.
You were doing so good. About a month or two, I think, without a pun.
I
We
thought
just-
you were saying that it's a good time for me to pun up.
If you want to.
Shake that ass for me. Shake that ass for me.
Trying to. I'm shaking the flashlight, though. I think he's going to be either to the right or to the left, because I heard him. Wait, I don't think we've seen one here.
Yeah, we've been here like 3 times now.
Not anymore.
Right there.
Hi. Who does make? Who makes that noise?
What?
Someone makes that noise, but I don't know who.
We haven't been here before.
No, we have not.
He's right to the left.
Okay. We're not. It's got to be in here. Oh God, we're fucked. Oh, we can go across. Okay. Oh, he's right there. Just keep going straight. Keep going straight. Just don't. Oh fuck! I can't look at him anymore.
I can't fucking see. Ah.
Just go that way. Just walk. Look at the wall. Look at the wall.
I can't see you guys. Oh god.
Follow the wall. Go the direction we were gonna go, and just follow the wall. Hi, Eric.
I like how Eric continued to move as we're like, oh, we can't see. We can't see.
I would look at him for like a second or two, and my screen would just be. Oh hi. Yep, we're going the other direction now.
Bag it up. Bag it
You
up.
know, man. There's gotta be one in here. This is the only area we haven't seen that I know of. Is he behind this door? Oh, he is not. Ooh, why don't we try crossing? Oh, wait, this is the way we came. Fuck.
Okay, he's like right behind us.
Really? Hi.
Oh, he just teleported right in front of us.
Okay, let's go the other direction. Oh God! I'm going the other direction. Fuck that. Eric, did you?
No, he didn't. He's
Oh. Okay, I couldn't see him. I'm like, oh,
I mean,
you
he's
got...
the only one.
No!
Are you kidding me? Did he really trap us here?
Hey, he's playing ping pong with us.
Your turn. Okay, we're gonna have to walk by him without looking at him. We're gonna have to. It's the only thing I could think of. Keep going down. Keep going down. There's got to be one in here.
I can feel him up my bunghole.
How long does this go for? Holy shit.
Is this the Half-Life food chain?
I'd laugh if it was. Oh, this is the end of it. I take a left.
I can't see shit to my right.
Yeah, I can't either. Don't look to the left. Just saying. I said don't look to the left!
Well, I had to do it just to clarify. I just wanted to see how far he was away. Okay? I'm still alive now, and I didn't kill myself on purpose like you did.
Hey, he looked like he needed a hug. And I'm always the last one alive, and I didn't want to be the last one alive again. To the point where he just stalks behind me. I'm waiting until you find a pebble to get stuck on. Is you to the left?
To the left.
Which way? Left or? Okay, I guess Eric's going that way.
Well, no, we're going straight because he's to the left.
Oh, okay. I'll try. You can see farther, can't you?
I might be able to. I don't know. I didn't think we clarified that was even.
Wait.
A thing.
I think so. I think there's a. What if there's one in here?
I don't know. Oh, okay. I was gonna grab my phone real quick because I have the stats on there, but then all of a sudden I took my hand off the controller and yeah, he was right there on my screen. And I'm like, oh,
Yeah.
okay, I won't. do
He's
that.
still moving.
I'm gonna play with one hand. Look at how good I'm doing with one hand.
Launch it for him. Go ahead and launch it for him. Or we could just stand here.
Yeah. I'm following you guys.
I still think Eric should be leading since he's got the most sanity. He can look at him the longest. Me, I look at him 2 seconds and I'm almost dead. And I'm stuck on a wall. It's like certain roles every character. Oh, yeah, he's to our right. Don't.
So that means go to the right, right?
Yeah.
Hey, look, we're back at the circle square.
What? I think it's a lot easier finding the things in a Actually, what would you say? It's easier finding in the types in here or in the forest?
I don't know. Here we can actually identify, like.
I'm going back to the circle. We're back at the statue area.
Let's keep going. We'll just cut across.
Man, I can't wait to see the map of this and just see us like on the top of the screen instead just that one on the bottom.
Yep. He's to our left. Bad. We don't want no hugs.
Okay.
Yep.
I just had to clarify. I'm like, wait, I'm not going on my own, am I?
No. Something changed. The game locked up for a split second, so he must have moved or something changed.
It's just like SCP. They decided to send soldiers after us.
It's funny how you could tell when the game changes on the PlayStation 2 just by hearing the...
Oh, that way.
Yep. Like, if you listen to a PlayStation 2 or a PlayStation, when something's about to happen in a horror game, you can always hear the just... Like, oh no, what's gonna happen?
Okay, well, we're in this kind of... I believe we've seen this before. I don't think it's a wise thing that we have Eric behind us because he's being quiet and we can't tell what he's doing.
Yep.
Well, it's your funeral.
Your statue. No. Eric, you lead. You're the one that can look at him the longest. What? Oh god, yeah, he's right there. He killed you?
Yeah.
You looked at him a long time, didn't you?
No, I did. I was
Because-
walking right behind you guys. I looked at one of the computer screens, and he grabbed me.
This way! I swear, if I'm gonna be the last one alive again.
Oh, no, I'm with you.
Ah,
Went to submarine.
that door over there. We never did go through that door.
Did we?
No, we never did. We just went that direction. We just kept going.
Dad, go ask for me. Go ask for me.
Eric,
Oh, he's right to the left.
yep, they were going this way. Eric, go on ahead of us and find the tape.
No.
Oh
Eric,
my god.
I'm a bitch slap you.
You may be a ghost, but I can't fucking see anything.
Ah, chill out again.
I'm gonna go look at the statue for a really, really long time because I can.
Oh, thanks for the help. For the
You're
help.
welcome.
He has been helpful at all this game.
I'm gonna call the Ghostbusters.
That's one of the achievements.
We're going this way.
Good call. You guys don't deserve the last tape.
Pretty sure that's what the monster's thinking.
Where's the black man?
We never did go to the right from the jail cell. No, we did. That's the file cabinet room. We've been there.
I want to file a complaint. And Eric's going off on his own.
Oh, I don't have to worry about him now, at least.
Yeah, I know, but I'm just saying, being unhelpful, like always.
Oh my god, he appeared right in front of me.
Uh-huh. You're still alive, right?
Uh-huh. I think what hurt the most is the bright light that flashed. Fuck it, let's go in here. Might as well.
Oh my god. Like, I literally thought, I'm like, shit. I honestly was 100% sure that you died.
Nope.
And I was like, oh, fucking damn it.
He's probably going to be in here. Don't you dare be in here. Anything, Eric?
No.
I don't actually think he's looking.
Really? Rains again?
Well, we never actually successfully. We only went one direction in here, didn't we?
Yeah, let's go down this pathway here, this way. Oh, I just heard a pipe fall.
Do you think?
Oh, I hear it!
I already know where the last recorder is.
Bingo!
Joker should get it.
Yes!
Oh, sorry. I just grabbed it quickly.
Good job.
Guys, we won.
Ah! Ooh, hey, everything's red.
Oh. Achievement unlocked. The killer is dead. We won. An ancient evil awakens from its slumber.
I want to know what that's all about.
In memory of Dxfan. 0.
How did I walk the least, but you guys walked the most? I don't get it.
Screams 6.
Oh, this will be funny.
Yeah, let's just watch us just be at the top of the screen the entire time. Oh, no, actually, no, we just went the straight line down. And then we're going back up.
Hey, it's a dick.
And then we're going back down.
I think I can turn on my light now.
I want to see us when we get to the train just back, forth, back.
We covered a lot of ground. Oh, that was when Josh, you got separated. No, that was when Eric got separated. Oh, that's when you got separated. You go back and forth. And in 3, 2, 1. Jeez. That was a train. Wow, we went a long ways.
Oh, then Eric died.
Starts making random directions. Yay!